So hi everyone, my name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to create an exit. Okay? So here's how we're going to create it. Here's how. First of all, import thinker CK, that's it. After that, window equals the tk.tk. Then window dot title exit button. Window dot geometry (640x430). Window dot config bg equals to silver. Then we create the exit button. So button equals to tk dot button. Text equals to exit. Okay, comma command equals to window dot destroy. You don't have to do anything else, but that's it. You can say here then exit button. Okay, now let's just copy. Exit button dot pack pad y equals to 10. Then window dot main loop. Let's run the code. Oh, fresh connection. Exit. Bye-bye. See? That works. Like, let's say, let me run it again. Let's say I have a window, and then there's a button, exit. When I press on this button, the window is gone. Okay? It's like that. So this is how we make the exit button. So thank everyone for listening about my video about exit button. I hope you like it, and bye!